Welcome to Aria's Puppet Show, and hope you enjoy. Oh, where's Antlers? He hasn't been here for minutes, or should I say ages. Oh, is that Loulou? Loulou, can you hear me? Antlers, is that you? Yep, sure is me. I'm just getting ready to put on my jacket and my shoes. The door is clogged. I came as fast as I can. Moose, you literally live right next door to me. Yeah, behind this big wall of trays. Yeah, sure, that's one way of saying it. But why have you not been here for ages? Okay, tell me, how long did it take for you to brush your teeth? About 5 minutes? That long? I think you're only supposed to brush your teeth for 1 minute. Yeah, but I'm a perfection person, okay? Can you stop rolling over and stand up neatly? If you're such a perfection person, why don't you just be perfection at everything? I mean, you failed a test at school. That's only one time. And you sometimes slipped on the banana peel that you didn't see. Yeah. And yeah, you didn't balance well on the balance beat either at recess. That's just because those times I didn't believe that I was a perfectionist. Perfectionist. Get it? Paleontologist. And you really do want to be a paleontologist when you grow up. You're funny, Moose. Yeah, I know. And so, how long did it take you to eat breakfast? 5 minutes. Good. That's the fastest time I've ever seen, so that part is good. How long did it take you to wear your clothes? 5 minutes. Literally, you just need to wear your scarf. And how long did it take you to rub on your fur cream? About 5 minutes. That long? Literally, I only take about 3 minutes to rub on my fur cream. And you see, I'm more puffier than you. Yeah, that's because llamas do have better puff skin, I should say. It's called puff fur. Okay, that's basically part 1. See you at part 2. Bye.